Welcome to Smart Digital Classroom of Anudanit Ashram School, Mohopada, Taluka Surgana, District Nasik. Here today we are going to learn the ELC RLM English Language Kit, kit number 16 and kit number 5, the word chain and sentence completion. Okay, now let's come and unbox this packet. This is ELC RLM kit number 16, word chain. Yes, here are some word strips, dear friends. Here are some words. Okay, now let's open it, please. Now see, come here. Here are some words. Okay, now how can you play this? This is a word chain. This is called in Marathi Antakshari. What is it called?
Antakshari.
Yes. Do you know Antakshari? You play the songs. Yes. Many Hindi and Marathi songs, and the last letter we carry forward and then make a new song like this. This is a very interesting game. This is called word chain. What is it called?
Word chain.
Word chain. Okay, now here are some words. Okay, I put all these words, you come together and complete this word chain. Let's come to the blackboard. This is a word chain. What word it is? Gate. Elephant. Road. Like this. Look at the gate. G-A-T-E. Last letter is E. Now the new word is elephant. Last letter is T. The new word is tiger. Last letter is R. And the new word is road. Like this you have to make the word chain. Okay, give me that box. Okay, now we are going to make it unbox. Okay, I give you the 10 minutes. How many minutes?
10 minutes.
10 minutes, and you have to complete this game within 10 minutes and make a word chain. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Best of luck. Start. This is group number 2. Your group number 2. Now we are going to unbox this box again. Yes, this is a box ELC RLM kit number 5, sentence completion. Okay, now what picture is it? What is this? Cat. What is this?
Cat.
Cat. What is this?
Cat.
Cat. What is cat doing? What is cat doing?
Milk.
Milk. Drinking a
Milk.
milk. Drinking a milk. Okay. What is this action? Yes.
Swimming.
Swimming. Okay. Now here are some sentences and some pictures. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to distribute all these sentence and picture strips among all of you. Yes, now get everyone one strip only. Okay, and come here. Here are some ing word. Okay, for example, what is this word?
Going.
Going. Okay, there is a ing in the end. These are all ing verb. Okay, you have to put the correct verb to the each sentence and make the sentence and try to read it. Okay, now give me okay, here are some strips. Okay, here are some strips and here are your words. Okay, come together and get it. And now students are reading words and try to match all the words. दोंगे. Girls, you are, I think, ready. Yes? You are ready with your sentence. You?
My name is Mayuri. The boy is doing some says. Sums. Myself Yamuna. A fisherman is throwing a net in water. I am a Mansi. The boy is reading a book. Myself Diksha. The kids are playing with pillows. The old man is playing the dog.
My name is Mansi. The girl is blowing soft bubble.
My name is Dhanasri. The boys are playing cricket. My name is Rani. The girl is studying on the computer. The sun is rising in the east.
Raising. What is it?
Rising.
I'm Pooja. The girls are dancing in the function. Myself Jyoti. The boy is listening to music.
I'm Bhagyasri. Kids are building a sand castle. A man is counting money.
My name is Bhumika. The boy is swimming in the pool.
My name is Yogini. The boy is watering the plants.
My name is Jiza. The students are going to the school. My name is Yamuna. The cat is feeding meal. I am Manisha. The mountaineer is climbing the mountain.
My name is Yogita. A farmer is ploughing his field.
My name is Yogita. The mother is carrying her child.
My name is Bhavna. The man is rowing a boat. The teacher is teaching in the class.
My name is Vaishali. The man is sowing seeds.
My name is Rupali. The girl is hiding the gift. My name is Yogita. The woman is on the laptop.
Working. Here it is the word working on the laptop.
I am Chandrakala. The donkey is working the load.
I am Ranjana. The monkey eating banana. The monkey is eating banana. My name is Ranjana. The boys are playing football.
My name is Divya. People are holding the flags.
My name is Pratibha. The tiger is laying on the grass.
Okay, very good. Now you all make the nice sentence formation. Yes, all these sentences are the continuous tense. What kind of tense it is? Means the action is going on. कृती काय आहे इथे सुरू आहे प्रत्येक चित्रामध्ये. Okay, for example, this is the sentence. The girl is studying on the computer. म्हणजे संगणकावर मुलगी काम करत आहे. क्रिया अपूर्ण आहे. Okay, the action is not completed. The action is going on now. Okay, now here you look the tenses and their type. Okay, here it is the continuous tense. Read this sentence, Divya.
He is living in a hole.
He is living in a hole. It is a continuous tense. Okay, all these sentences are present continuous tense. Okay, now let's go to the second group. Are you ready with your sentence? sentence?
Yes.
Are you ready with your word chain? Okay. How can we start from here? Who is the first number? Yes. Your name?
Rub.
Okay. Rub.
Biscuits.
Task.
Task.
Kitten.
So.
Kitten.
Kitchen.
Name.
Name.
Exact. Towel.
Travel.
Letter.
Letter.
Reading.
Reading. Now look at letter. Last word is R. Okay. The next word is
Reading.
reading. G.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Garlic. Carrots.
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 Sand.
Sand. Delete.
Delete. Last word is E.
Ear means डोळे.
Can. Here means
कान.
can.
Royal.
Royal.
Lion.
Lion.
Nest.
Nest.
Tortoise.
Tortoise.
Elephant. Teacher.
Teacher.
Rat.
Rat.
Take.
Task.
Task.
King.
Show the word king. Okay.
Girl means मुलगी.
Yes. Very good. Now you also finish. Very good. Yes. You done a very nice job. All of you are make the word chain and the sentence structure in a fine way. Okay. Now clap for you. Very nice. Okay. We are going to stop here. Thank you very much.